What is up, guys? Logan here again with another video today, and we're going to highlight Skylight Health Group, which ticker on the TSX is SHG and the ticker on the OTC is SHGFF. And the headline reads, "This severely undervalued company has a significant trillion-dollar opportunity in the U.S. healthcare market." And if we're talking about Canada and U.S., a lot of people have different viewpoints on the current healthcare market. Of course, there's a lot of benefits to each side, and there's also cons to each side. So I'm really curious to jump in and see what we got today. So Skylight Health Group, formerly CB2 Insights, is a healthcare services and technology company working to positively impact patient health outcomes. The company operates a U.S. multi-state health network comprised of physical multidisciplinary medical clinics, providing a range of services for primary care, subspecialty allied health, and diagnostic testing. In addition, the company owns and operates a proprietary electronic health record system that supports the delivery of care to patients via telemedicine and other remote monitoring system integrations. With a patient roster of over 120,000 patents, the company's operations spread across 14 states and continues to expand in services and locations both organically and by way of strategic acquisitions. So Skylight Health Group is one of the largest yet most undervalued medicine providers. Mackey research analyst Yu Ma believes Skylight is more undervalued than its peers and has initiated coverage with a speculative buy rating with an approximate $1.10 price target. Skylight Health Group stocks could have further upside as it breaks high from consolidation around 45 cents. If the pandemic has shown us anything, it has shown us that the U.S. healthcare system is in tatters. It's fragmented, has disorganized infrastructure, unsustainably expensive. In fact, total national health expenditures have increased to approximately $3.6 trillion and growing approximately 4% annually. Additionally, between $760 billion and $935 billion of these expenditures are considered wasteful spending, good for around 25% of annual healthcare expenditures. Further exposing how broken the healthcare system is, the average primary clinic is overloaded with 19 plus patients a day. Making matters worse, only about 55% of recommended preventative services are being delivered to patients. There's also a shockingly low amount of patient care coordination between visits, and there is limited access to other services such as home-based care, medication management, and behavioral health. This is where Skylight comes in to play. Skylight Health's goal is to combine traditional care services, including primary and urgent care, subspecialties, and diagnostics with wellness services, including chiropractic, physiotherapy, and other allied health treatments, which include the treatment of chronic and mental health conditions, which I find very valuable. In addition, the company is providing fee-for-service insurable services to patients who are enrolled with Medicare, Medicaid, Affordable Care Act, and other commercial groups, in addition to those who are uninsured. Fee-for-services include delivery of care in clinic and via telemedicine where applicable. Services include primary care, urgent care, subspecialty, allied health, and wellness and diagnostic offerings. The company currently owns a proprietary electronic medical record system and virtual telemedicine platform, as well as over 30 physical clinics in 14 states. That's fantastic. This is really cool. Its main focus is the U.S. healthcare services, also working towards better health outcomes with its involvement in data and health analytics and clinical research services. That's in addition to company efforts to establish contracts with leading pharmaceutical and biotech companies to support their clinical research needs in the U.S. According to Mackey Research, approximately 33 million Americans remain uninsured, mainly due to high costs of insurance coverage, most of which are in low-income families and have at least one worker in the family. People without medical insurance have worse access to care than people who are insured. Those uninsured often face unaffordable medical bills when they seek care. Addressing the high uninsured rate is believed to be an urgent and unmet need in the U.S. healthcare system. You can see down here is the millions of people, all incomes, uninsured, employment-based coverage, which is the majority of people, as we can see, but 160 million, which is half of America, is employment-based health coverage for insurance. Then we have the Medicaid, and then right after that is uninsured, just completely uninsured. The demand has created a significant opening for Skylight Health Group. Skylight Health could be one of the largest and most undervalued integrated health system stocks in the U.S. by far. In fact, while Skylight Health Group traded at just about 59 cents at 5.8 times the revenue, look at how overvalued some of its prime competitors were. We have Oak Street Health, which was 15.4 times larger, 11.3 times trading, and then also we have Well Health Technology, which was trading at 26.6 times of the revenue. This seems to truly illustrate how much market is undervaluing this promising stock. However, with Skylight's three-pronged growth strategy, it's hard to foresee this company's trading at a discount for much longer. And let's jump right into, over the next 12 months, the company expects to see robust growth as it expands its medical services to include traditional and conventional treatments, alongside its current alternative-focused approach to its over 100,000 patients base in the U.S. Over the next 12 months, the company expects to begin reopening its clinics shut down due to COVID-19 pandemic in March 2020. The clinic's reopening beginning in Q1 of 2021 could enable SHG to begin with primary care services for its existing rostered patients. If you guys want to read more right here, I want to jump into the subscription really quickly. Through its subscription service, the company expects to enter an addressable market of 40 million Americans underserved due to the huge cost of healthcare in the U.S. This disruptive model has already begun to see traction, with patients already showing strong demand in the states where the company has begun launching its service. The company is working closely with strategic partners in the U.S. to develop key messaging and marketing metrics that will enable it to scale its marketing efforts over the next 12 months in this niche segment. Within this product offering, anyone who is under or underinsured can subscribe to an annual subscription for $200 a year for unlimited access to an SHG telehealth provider for urgent care needs. That's a big move. That's a big move, really. And it's bold, too, like it stated earlier. It's a big, bold move. I'm definitely going to keep my eye on these guys. The company is believed to expand this offering within existing states over the next 12 months and will look to add new states in following periods. Since the description model works with existing SHG providers, largely salaried within the existing model, the company will be able to profitably provide the service to patients. That's really cool. Is there further upside ahead for Skylight Health Group? The potential is certainly there, and analysts know it. Mackey Research analyst Yu Ma, for example, believes that they're undervalued compared to their peers. We have a quote here that says, "The company is a fast-growing healthcare services and tech company which has opportunity for organic and inorganic growth." And then let's just look at their technical charts really quickly before we wrap up the video. Over the last 3 months, the stock popped from a low of around 10 cents to around 61. Good for a mouth-watering return of 510%. However, as it breaks higher from consolidation around 45 cents, there could be more room to run. The stock appears to be rebounding nicely from oversold MACD, RSI, and Williams %R levels. That's going to be everything for me in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You learned something today about SHG. I'm just super glad that I got to talk to you guys, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. This is a sponsored video, and I'm very grateful for another opportunity. So that's going to be everything for me. Make sure you leave a comment and also consider subscribing, and I will talk to you guys in a video in the future. So I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.